Good morning everyone, I'm Alex. You're joining me here at the Lamborghini stand of the Geneva's International Motor Show 2018. So we're here for the world premiere of the Lamborghini Urus that is just right there. We do have an Aventador S fully in red with carbon fiber entire roof. So yeah, we're going to take a very first look of the Lamborghini's SUV. So here it is, as you can see, fully in yellow. It looks better, yellow, black, 23 inches rims, black, gray, and we do have Lamborghini written on it. We do have a lot of lines going through the entire car, like this, going down. We do have even that kind of, not square, but all the lines going through the car. We have, just by the way, fake vents here, but an Italian logo. Wow, the car looks epic. As you can see, we're going to check the inside of the car as well. But let's check the front as well. Black and yellow. I'm not saying what it is, but do you know what it is, black and yellow? No, just kidding. We do have a brand new LED lights and all like the B-nest. That looks very good, madness. We do have a night camera probably, and just underneath it's fully matching with the black and yellow, all the touches. Under the bonnet, we do have a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, 650 horsepower. Just looks epic. And we're going to check as well all the specific technicities as the performance from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. You're wondering what's the prices as well. So the model that we do have here is 201,000 euros, and the car starts at 171,000 euros. So pretty epic for that massive engine. So it's cheaper than the Aventador, but it's like a Hurricane but with better performances. So that's the rear. We're gonna check the boot as well. Everything here is black and yellow with the air takings right there, also in black, matching to the car. All the LED lights, the Urus plate, and all the exhaust pipes. So let's check quickly the boots. There it is. And we don't see a lot, but we do have quite a lot of space for the boots. There it is. Let's check the rear. Passenger seats on the car. We do have carbon fibers as well all over, and Alcantara is very present here for the car. Lamborghini for the step-in, and that's the rear of the car. All the ceilings are in Alcantara with the yellow stitched. And yeah, black and yellow on the seats as well, yellow stitchings, B-nest. Wow, it's incredible. And everything here is in Alcantara. Let's check the front side of the car, the most important, and that's the massive interior of the car. Alcantara as well, yellow stitchings. Even this, as on the Aventador, this kind of shapes, triangles. Wow, wonderful. Everything the car has been done in black and yellow. Massive bucket seats, all new shapes of the seats. B-nest, all stitched as well. And Alcantara and leather for the front seats. So that's the inside of the car, fully also in carbon fiber. The dashboard, you have Alcantara, leather and yellow stitchings. And let's go, let's check the car itself. Now it's on the rise, it's so much better. But yeah, we do have the middle console with the light-on engine, and everything here is covered by carbon fiber. As you can see all around, it's really nice. You feel that the car looks powerful and massive, even of the inside. So I don't know if I can, oh there it is. I light on the car. We do have the steering wheel that this looks more like an Audi Q7 because they're sharing also some of the platforms. But yeah, BNS also almost as on the air conditionings.
That's fine.
You do have a lot of screens. You do have the 3 main screens, but this one is the most important. And
Nice.
I can't. It's not lighting on. Okay, but it's fine. But before it was light on, I'm sorry guys, I can't really show you, but I can show you the front one. But it's not also working. But yeah, even the steering wheel has Alcantara leather, Italian logo and stitchings as well. You do have the pads for the gears and it's really awesome. And I love the ceilings with fully in Alcantara. I'm trying to really light on the screen, but oh, there it is. We do have all the screen, but I can show you all the options as you can see. So you do have the main screen on for radio and navigations, that everything is digital and that you can turn. Can we twist it as on the Bentley? Oh yeah, we do. So that's all the screen, pretty big screen, high quality screen. Wow, that's great. You do have for the phone as well, music also, and the home of all the Urus options. So we do have the Urus car. Oh, okay, but the car has to be light on. So there it is. All the fully inside of the car, and I do love the middle console with 2 cup holders and this that you can put up, and all the carbon fiber console right here. So yeah, the review has been done with the Lamborghini Urus that is just here. Also showing you quickly the Aventador S, what is really awesome. And just by the way, we do have the gray one that is looking less epic than the yellow one that we've just seen in the front. But yeah, anyway, my favorite one is the yellow one with the all yellow stitching inside of the car. So yeah, hope that you guys really appreciated the first look and the world premiere, not the world premiere, but the first time that we seen the car like kind of officially on a motor show. So yeah, 2 brand new models, the yellow and the gray. Pretty nice. Hope that you guys really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and see you very soon for some other new videos here at the show. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Have a very good day. Bye.